Okay, this is the Unit 7 Mid-Unit Assessment Version A. So take a minute and make sure that if you're listening to this video, you have Version A. All right, number 1. The equation f of x equals x times 200 minus 5x represents the amount of revenue that a company makes when they sell keychains for X dollars. So part A, what equation would you solve to find the prices that give the company $0? And then part B, what are the prices that give a revenue of $0? Blank and blank. So these are both going to be dollar amounts. So again, we're using this equation to find those out. Number 2, select all equations that have 2 solutions, and there are 3 of them. So you should have 3 of these circled. Number 3, here's a graph of the equation y equals x squared plus 4x plus 5. Which statement is true about the solutions to the equation x squared plus 4x plus 5 equals 0? So they took this equation and they graphed it. So does this equation have no solution? Does this equation have 1 solution? Or does this equation have 2 solutions? So you're selecting one of those answers. Okay, the backside now. Number 4. Find the solutions, which are the x-intercepts, to each equation by using square roots. Show your work. So this is where, for all of these, we have to go through our steps. So these are all going to be solving equations first, then square roots. So on your note sheet, hopefully you wrote step 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So these are the steps that you're going through in order to solve these. Number 5, consider the equation x times x plus 5 equals 0. Use the zero product property. Using the zero product property, which of the following? Circle only one answer must be true. So even though it's worth 2 points, there's only one answer. So this is already set equal to 0. So you need to find what the solutions are. Number 6, use the zero product property to find the solutions, the x-intercepts. So we're going to find the x-intercepts for all of those. And then finally at the end, solve each equation by factoring and then using the zero product property. Show your reasoning. So we're doing the factoring. So make sure that you're looking, we're finding the 2 numbers that multiply to get the last number. And then once we find all the factors like this, we're then going to find the ones that add to get the middle number. So you can see here, our middle number was 12, so we did 5 plus 7 equals 12. Then 5 times 7 was also 35. So then once you write it out as your factors, then you're going to find that this is the zero product part. You're going to find what your actual solutions are. So we do have on our note sheet an example of when it is positive, and we have an example on the front of when it is negative. All right, when you are done, you can go ahead and turn it in to me and your note sheet.